All right, how did you make out with synthetic division? Problem number 6 says this. X to the fourth plus 3x squared minus 10x squared plus 8x plus 40 equals 0. And they ask us, is minus 5 a solution? Well, we could plug minus 5 in there and see if it works. It's going to be a lot of labor. We're also asked to do with synthetic division, so let's do it that way, and it turns out it'll save us a bunch of work. Here are my coefficients: 1, 3, negative 10, 8, 40. 1, 3, negative 10, 8, 40. To see if negative 5 is a solution, I divide into that using synthetic division. Carry down the first coefficient. 1 times negative 5 gives me negative 5. Add negative 2 times negative 5 gives me positive 10. Add, I get 0. 0 times negative 5 gives me 0. Add, I get 8. 8 times negative 5 gives me negative 40. The remainder is 0. That proves that yes, negative 5 is a solution of this equation. Furthermore, if you were looking for the other solutions, you have at least gone this far. What you have shown is that you take this initial expression, x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 10x squared plus 8x plus 40, you have shown that x plus 5 is a factor there, right? Since negative 5 is a root, that means x plus 5 is a factor. And when you factor it out, you're going to get 1, negative 2, 0, 8 as your quotient polynomial. So you're going to get 1 times x to the fourth. Sorry, that's x cubed now. 1 times x cubed plus, or rather make that a minus 2x squared plus 0 times x plus 8. Right, that's what you've shown. Here's your constant term, x squared term, x cubed term. To simplify it, I wouldn't write 1x cubed, I'll just say x cubed minus 2x squared. I'm not going to bother to write the x term if it's got a 0 multiplying it. So my next one is just that constant term. So I've shown that this factors into this. And in the next class we'll see how you can solve that using synthetic division. You'll notice it's not a quadratic because even though there's 3 terms, it's of degree 3. So yeah, it's a little bit challenging to figure that out. But for now, we'll stop at this point of 6.4. Just do these 5 problems here to give you some experience with synthetic division. And then in our next class, we'll finish up 6.4 and go on to 6.5.